You know what changed my life? One night I promised myself I'll never abandon me again. Because for years I was loyal to everyone except myself. I said yes when I was exhausted, stayed when I was breaking, smiled when I wanted to scream. So I made a new promise, 5 daily non-negotiables. 1, I'll protect my peace no matter who leaves. 2, I'll move my body every day because energy is healing. 3, I'll speak to myself like someone I'm learning to love. 4, I'll do one thing that scares me. 5, I'll never let comfort kill my potential. That promise became my comeback story, because the moment you choose you, everything changes. People may call it selfish, but I call it survival. You owe it to yourself to keep the promises no one else will hold you to. Your peace is your power. Guard it like your life depends on it, because it does.